Now there's one tool that you don't necessarily have to click on the toolbar for. I'm going to show you both ways of using it. Oops, I just accidentally orbited. This is the zoom tool. You can type Z on your keyboard to get to it. The way it works is you put your mouse on whatever you want to zoom into, click and hold and drag in or out to zoom. But this is very inconvenient way of zooming, so I don't like to use it. What I do is I use the scrolling function. So if you have a mouse with a scroller wheel, use that scroller wheel and you can zoom way out and zoom way in. If you have a trackpad on a laptop, sometimes there's a line on the side of your trackpad that shows where you can scroll. And sometimes you can just use two fingers and swipe up or swipe down using two fingers at a time. Same principle with the zoom tool. You always want to put your mouse on the thing you want to zoom into. So in this case, I'm going to zoom onto the dinosaur's head and see how my mouse is there, and it's going to go straight through it. I'm going to go to the eye. It's going to take me straight to the eye. Don't be afraid to zoom way in on SketchUp. I'll show you how to use that tool in a minute, the hand tool. But don't be afraid to zoom way in on SketchUp. It's going to be okay. You can just really get close to whatever it is you're working on. Always kind of put what you're working on in the center of the screen. Don't worry about anything else. If you're not working on it, you don't need to see it. So sometimes though you can zoom too far in and then you're lost. If that happens, go to the zoom extents tool on the toolbar. If you can't find it, go up to search and look for it here. The zoom extents takes you right back to your model, whatever you have drawn on the page. And you can also zoom really far out to the point where you can get lost as well. Same thing, use zoom extents, come back. Okay, so remember, put your mouse on the tool, on the object, and zoom in. Now you try.